Continuing where last session left off. Party is still split into two. Group 1 is comprised of Thotham, Edric, and Inaxasis, who proceed walking towards what they think will be the Vistani camp. They travel aimlessly for hours, led by the navigational compass Inaxasis. They encounter an army of wolves and Thotham charges in to try to distract the beasts from rest of the party but is promptly taken down to unconsciousness. Strahd shows up, and Edric disrespects him. Strahd punishes this with a swift fireball. He heals Thotham but takes his shadow, and invites the party to dinner at his castle. Party agrees and ventures off. Continuing in wrong direction once again, the party runs into a dark and deteriorating castle. They see a skeletal rider exit the castle speaking an unknown language. They hide and continue being lost looking for the Vistani camp. Still in the wilderness, they encounter another large pack of wolves. They try to flee while fighting. The group comes to a mountainside. Thotham and Edric attempt to scale down it manually but both fail and proceed to fall down the bottom, knocking both characters out. Inaxasis sees this and comes down to help them but does it safely by using a rope. The journey down takes a bit long though, and Thotham's body gasps one last time as he rolls a critical fail with a 1 on his second death saving throw and dies. Moving forward, Edric wakes up and sees that both Inaxasis and Thotham are gone. He is being carried by the blue-eyed bartender from the tavern and once he is conscious, is left near the gates of Vallaki. No one knows where Inaxasis and the body of Thotham are at this point. Continuing on to the other half of the party. Group 2 comprised of Cog, Grease, Zeton, and the little girl Arabelle. They have recently exited the Casa tunnel exit and proceed to continue up the river banks until Grease finds a ragged corpse emitting green light. After inspection, it is observed that the light is coming from a black candle with a green flame attached to the corpse. Grease attempts to blow out the candle and when this fails he smothers it with mud which does the job. Afterward, he takes a bite out of the candle. It tastes like an average candle. Not a great candle. He has tasted much better candles in his life. They reach Vallaki, and run in a pale big armored guard named Izhek at the church. Izhek is looking for Irina, as she is thought to have answers for the questions he has. He also offers Grease a chance to play his flute at the festival for chance to be the guest of honor. Party rest at the tavern. The old bartender Erwin at the tavern talks to the party about finding 3 ancient items called seeds, that are supposed to be powerful objects. He says his wife's family thinks he stole the blue 3rd seed. He says to the west is a place called Berez with an old woman named Baba Lysaga who is thought to have stolen the green 2nd seed. He continues to say that a group of crazy druids came and stole the red 1st seed and that they likely took it back to the southwest at their home called Yesterhill. Party accepts and then takes Arabelle to Vistani camp, led by Arabelle who knows the way to her home there. They meet her uncles and dad. The uncles, Aragal and Lavash, offer a huge selection of high-end rewards for rescuing Arabelle. Cog, Zeton, and Grease each decide what part of the rewards they will get and the deal is set. They talk to members at the camp. One man tells them Strahd used to hunt down Duskelves in Barovia. They eventually find the Duskelf in camp, named Casimir. After some convincing, he tells them to go the Amber Temple to prove their worth before he will assist them. Session end here.